#1 spiker in the league right now in terms of attack efficiency. 36%.
Yes.
Yeah. Preta. Oh, finally for the rookie. She scores her second off the bench. Puzon to Daguna. Nandun si Dayami sa likod. Preta tries. Preta scores again.
Hindi lang daw siya puro paalo. She's also using her brain. Sabi niya, pwede naman yun eh. Top spin ko dito, walang tao. And it works. She got another. Sorry ka sa Coach Moore, hindi mo titignan talaga sa mata.
Hintay muna makabawi ka. Saka mo tignan ulit. Preta! Oh! Janine Preta is single-handedly bringing JRU back in the match dito po sa ating third set. This time it's a tip.